This is Flamingo God. Before you watch this video, be sure to check the links in the description. How would you like to work conveniently at home, work at flexible hours, set your own schedule, spend more time with your family and friends, and get a nice paycheck at the end of the month? Here is a list of the top 10 jobs to work from home. Number 1. WritingJobs.net brings you fresh and creative opportunities to get writing jobs online and get paid to boot. This is a perfect opportunity for freelance writers and just about anybody who can write that just don't have time for a commute to a dead-end, part-time job. Or, for anyone that wants to sit in their pajamas and work at home. Now you can live the laptop lifestyle and make a full-time income or make extra cash by providing written content to thousands of partners that need them for their websites, blogs, books, magazines, marketing materials and many more. Number 2. PhotographyJobs.net. If you are serious about making money with your photography, then look no further. PhotographyJobs.net gives you foolproof, step-by-step instructions and list of companies guaranteed to earn you money. In fact, every month millions of photos are bought online, which is used for websites, magazines, blogs, print ads, marketing materials and many more. Imagine spending your time taking photographs of the things you love in life, flowers, nature, animals, family, sports, anything you want, and the whole time you get to smile because you know income is streaming in 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Number 3. Mini Digital Marketing Course. Digital marketing is a $50 billion plus industry that is growing every year. The jobs in this field aren't just for marketing majors or coders. In fact, these jobs are perfectly suited for tech-savvy college graduates and current students with good analytical and writing skills and creativity. Learn about the specific roles that tech-savvy people can get into with minimal experience and hustle, then leverage into higher-paying jobs quickly. Number 4. Goldopinions.com is a fast and easy way to make extra money online simply by sharing your opinions. Give your opinion on what you think about the products you use every day, or even try new ones before they hit store shelves. Companies value your opinions, and will reward you for sharing them. What's better than taking surveys for money in your spare time? Number 5. ClickBank is an online retailer with a global presence, proving our clients with secure payment processing, reliable tracking and payouts, and an extensive affiliate network. There are two main ways to make money using ClickBank. One is to create your own product and list it, and the other is to skip the product creation step and list other people's products while taking a commission from each sale. Number 6. Social media management is the process of creating, scheduling, analyzing, and engaging with content posted on social media platforms, like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. A social media manager may be employed by a brand, individual, or business to reach new customers online or to improve and maintain their reputation. Number 7. Slogan seller. You may not know this, but there is a virtually invisible, multi-million-dollar industry built around the creation and distribution of simple words, phrases, and symbols, commonly known as slogans. There are countless companies who are willing to pay ordinary people big money to write them. Slogan Seller shows you the inside knowledge and tools you need to break into this industry and start earning money, even if you have never done anything like it before. You don't need to be creative, and you don't need to be a good writer. All you need is a computer. Number 8. Z codes the almanac from Back to the Future. This powerhouse system predicts the odds of wins and losses to upcoming races, matches, and games. The global sports betting market continues to surge in popularity. In fact, it's one of the fastest growing sectors in the world, offering tremendous potential for both sportsbooks and bettors. Sports betting has become more and more popular, and as the market starts to grow, guides and systems like this will become much more expensive. Number 9. TutorJobsOnline.com did an amazing job in putting up this site. Interested people can easily search for all available courses, making it easier for online teachers or tutors to get students. You make your own decisions. There are no unrealistic deadlines and nobody telling you how much to work. You get to decide how much you work, part-time, full-time or overtime. Earn up to $500 to $5,000 every month, making a better than average income doing what you want, when you want. Number 10. Rocket Language. Rocket Language is a program designed to help you learn a new language. As the age-old saying goes, it's never too late to learn something new. And when it comes to today's global society, learning a second language could prove to be a huge advantage. Not only does it help you improve your brain health, but it also increases your career prospects. For more information, refer to the links in the description.